In-house sales teams can be high maintenance. Outsourcing simply works to generate new leads. The hidden costs of doing it yourself add up fast for HVAC businesses. Alliance HVAC leads will handle teams, technology, and qualifying your prospects. We find the prospects, so your team can just focus on closing. Real conversations that connect you directly to commercial property managers. Let us handle the calls, gatekeepers, and follow-up for you. Call us or click a link below to schedule a chat with Tracy today.